Good evening. Welcome to my research short video YouTube channel. During our last lecture, we discussed about the parametric statistics. Now the time is to discuss the non-parametric statistics. It's a very important statistical analysis, and not only in behavioral sciences and even in medical sciences and other physical sciences as well. Yes, if we are interested in normal distribution, or we just take a data from large population, or our data represent our true population, so we use parametric statistics. But sometimes it's not possible, so in this case we can use non-parametric statistics. So we see the development of a large number of technique of inferences. Obviously we calculate the inferences, so we use so many techniques, but they need some make numerous and rigorous assumptions about the parameters. If we are not able to fulfill these parameters, so we are not able to use parametric statistics. That's why the new techniques that develop is called distribution free or non parametric techniques that result in conclusion which require fewer qualifications. So we are not able to meet all assumptions. So in this case, we can use our distribution free statistic or non-parametric statistic. Having used one of them, obviously we regardless the shape of population, we can conclude something. Suppose we just want to compare our two groups. There is one group male and another group is female, so it's not representation from the entire population. Still we can compare. Suppose men have a score 45 and women have a score 34, so obviously we can compare these scores. Not it doesn't mean that they are representing their entire population of men and entire population of women. Yes, still we can compare by using the non-parametric statistic. Some non-parametric statistic is called rank test and order test. Yes, this is very important point as well. In our order or nominal or ordinal statistic, especially in ordinal statistic, we use non-parametric statistic, because order case mein we are not able to use parametric, so that's why we use the other alternative option is non-parametric statistic. So differ from this is the point, and that point they are differ from parametric statistics. The computation of non-parametric statistics. If suppose you want to compute a non-parametric statistic, we add, divide, and multiply those scores from the sample. So these type of processing obviously affect our these arithmetical process affect our true score, our scores as well. So it's not a true scores now, so that naturally introduce distorted in those data, and thus the doubt of that conclusion from the test. So obviously one of the important point we use parametric statistic on only on true numbers. True numbers means, so these are in a numbers form. Suppose if we are talking about the length of a particular thing, or weight of a particular thing, is a true numbers. But if we are, suppose we just talk about your idea, your thought, your attitude, these variable is considered as not a true numerical. We just give a numerical value to our thought and idea, our score in a terms of score. So that's why another point, we use parametric statistic on only on true numerical values, not if we use the another type of numerical values, we convert our attitude into a numbers, is not permissible to use parametric strategy. So most of the researchers at that point they just criticize our psychological sciences. It's better if we use our non-parametric in comparison to parametric statistics. Many non-parametric tests, on other hand, focus on the rank of those scores. So obviously, sometimes it's not necessary how much you score. We just need the rank of a person. Suppose we want to compare the popularity of an individual. Okay, so in this case, suppose a one person have follower of 10,000 in a particular website and a particular social networking and the second rank person only have the follower of 100, and third person have only the follower of 10, or another person have the follower of 9. So again these are the rank 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't regard the other things as well. So that's why sometimes we are our data is in a rank, or sometimes we our data in a classifications only. So we have a two group, male and female. So obviously it's a nominal. So in this case we are not able to use our parametric statistic. Again we have to use our non parametric statistic. So that's why this is very important point ki yes, nominal and ordinal nominal and ordinal scales data use non-parametric, ordinal and interval scales use parametric statistic. Last video I cleared this point ki why we use parametric or interval or ratio scale. Yes, another point is that ki whereas parametric test may focus on difference between the means of a two set, so obviously we have to follow the mean and standard deviation, and after that we use parametric statistic. But in case of non-parametric statistic, we are not able to calculate the mean or median. We just for mean or standard deviation, we just follow the median. So we just calculate non-parametric statistic on the basis of median value. And another important thing is that mean require arithmetical manipulation like addition and division, but computation of median require only the counting. We just count the total number, or we just divide it into a two part, or mid value is considered as a median. So that's why we use a non-parametric statistic by using median analysis. So these are the very important things in non-parametric studies. If anybody have any doubt, any query, any suggestion, you just mention in comment. Or now question for you: can anybody tell me the technique that is non-parametric by nature? So you just type your non-parametric techniques you find in statistics. In next video I prepare on that technique. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, or please subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.